babes, welcome back to That Girl Supremacy, where we unlock confidence, glow up routines, and energy shifts that change your life. If you're someone who struggles to open up in social situations, or if you feel like you're stuck in your introverted shell, this video is your gentle push. Today, we're talking about how to become more outgoing without losing your true self. You don't need to change who you are to be social. You just need to expand your comfort zone. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Are you more introvert, ambivert, or extrovert? Let's get into it, Queen. 1. Start with low-stakes interactions. Becoming more outgoing doesn't mean suddenly giving a speech or joining a huge party. It begins with tiny, safe steps. Say hi to your neighbor, compliment a stranger's outfit, or make small talk at the grocery store. These low-stakes interactions build your social muscle without overwhelming you. When you do this consistently, your brain rewires. It starts understanding that socializing isn't scary, it's natural. Slowly, you'll go from avoiding people to casually chatting, laughing, and owning the room one moment at a time. 2. Reframe social anxiety as curiosity. Instead of thinking, what if I embarrass myself? Shift your mindset to, what can I learn about this person? Curiosity is a softer, more playful energy that takes the pressure off of you. When you're curious, you become a better listener. And ironically, that makes you more magnetic. People love being asked about themselves. Ask open-ended questions, give genuine reactions, and let the convo flow naturally. Suddenly, you're not performing, you're just connecting. That shift is everything. 3. Romanticize being seen. A huge part of being introverted is the fear of being judged. But what if you flipped it? What if you romanticized being noticed? Imagine walking into a room with soft confidence, thinking, I'm bringing warmth, energy, and softness to this space. You don't have to be loud or extra, you just have to be present. You can still be soft-spoken, but with the energy of someone who knows she belongs. That's what makes people drawn to you. Not the volume, but the vibe. 4. Practice expressive body language. Sometimes your words don't have to do all the work. Your body can speak for you. Practice smiling gently at people. Use your hands while talking. Keep your posture open, shoulders back, and chin up. These signals tell the world you're approachable, even if you're not super talkative. When your body language is warm and expressive, it invites people in. That ease and openness creates trust. You don't have to become a totally different person. Just open your physical presence like a flower. Give yourself social challenges. Turn socializing into a fun game. Challenge yourself. I'll start one conversation today. Or, I'll compliment someone's hair. These tiny dares help you break out of your overthinking and step into action. And when you succeed, your confidence multiplies. Keep a little log or journal of these moments. Celebrate the small wins. You'll be shocked how many beautiful conversations and new connections can start with just one brave moment. 6. Join safe spaces to practice. Not all social settings are equal. Find communities where you feel safe. A book club, a dance class, a hobby circle, or even online girl groups. These spaces are gold for introverts because the focus is shared, not forced interaction. In safe spaces, you feel seen without pressure. And when you feel seen, you naturally shine more. Being around high vibe, kind people makes you realize being social isn't scary, it's fulfilling. 7. Build a confident identity. The secret is not faking extroversion, it's evolving your self-image. Start telling yourself, I am someone who brings light into a room. I am magnetic. I'm becoming more confident every day. Your brain believes what you consistently tell it. Dress in a way that makes you feel powerful. Play a playlist that makes you feel bold. When you align your physical, mental, and emotional energy with confidence, people feel it. And eventually, you will too. And remember, babe, being social doesn't mean being loud. You can still be soft, calm, and sweet, and be so magnetic. Confidence is built, not born. Take the small steps, challenge yourself, and watch your energy shift. If this video helped you or spoke to your soul, comment below. I'm ready to expand. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your shy bestie. I'll see you in the next one. Stay radiant, stay rising, and let them feel your presence.